To make calls on the Redmi Watch 6, you have to make sure that both your Redmi Watch 6 and your phone are connected and they are in the same Bluetooth proximity range. Now, once that is done, the next thing you want to do is to locate the calls app on your Redmi Watch 6. So you want to tap on this scrollable crown over here, and it is going to open up your app list on your Redmi Watch 6. Now you want to locate the calls app, which is basically this app over here. So tap on it and you should be able to make calls. So this is where all of your call logs are going to be, and I'm just going to try to make a call. So I'm just going to tap on the keypad and then type any number, then tap on the call icon. Keep in mind that this call is actually going to be made with your phone. Once the call is done, you're going to see your call log over here. Also, if you're on a particular call, you can tap on this three dot icon at the bottom over here and be able to increase the volume of your call by tapping on the plus icon, or even reduce the volume. Keep in mind that the Redmi Watch 6 actually has a microphone at the back and then a speaker, so the volume is pretty loud and the microphone is also very good as well. Now, if you want to be able to make calls without having to always dial the number from the keypad, maybe because you do not know all the numbers you want to call, you don't have to always go through your phone to copy the number to call on your Redmi Watch 6. What you can do is to open up the Mi Fitness app on your phone, and then you want to locate the apps section from over here. You're going to see the favorite contacts, select it, and you can actually add contacts from your phone and save them on your Redmi Watch 6 so that you can directly make calls. So if I tap on the add contacts, I can add any contact from my iPhone over here. And once you select the contact you want to add, it will be added over here, so that whenever you want to now make a call on your Redmi Watch 6, you just have to open up the contacts app now. So if I go over to the contacts app, I can actually just see the number over here and call the number directly without having to go through my phone. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.